The following content is for entertainment and educational purposes only. It does not constitute means for diagnosis, healthcare advice, nor treatment. Make use of a qualified healthcare professional for such purposes.
So here, we're going to go to Analyze and Compare Means, and then down to Paired Samples t-test. So once you've clicked that, we're going to move our variables. So first, we'll need the Q1 lexical density to variable 1, and then we'll need the Q1 LXDH for the second box. So you'll see that they're divided in pairs and across variables. And then we'll do the same thing for questions 2 and questions 3. So your box should look like this once you're done. Okay, so once you've done that, I'm just going to double check the options, but we don't need to do anything there. So we'll just hit OK, and that will pop up our Paired Samples t-test table. So what you're going to be looking at here is the Paired Samples t-test, and you're going to be copying and pasting this into your Word document as well. The only thing you need to look at here is the t-value, the degrees of freedom, and the significance level. So the mean, standard deviation, all of this part, you can just ignore that. We just need these last 3 columns. So that is what your table should end up looking like if you focus on just the mean, the t-value, the degrees of freedom, and the significance level. And then this is the format that you would follow. You would have your t-value, the degrees of freedom in parentheses, with the t-value listed, that number pulled from the column here, and then your p-value. That's what you would put there. So this just shows your t-test table, and then this is how you would report it. So just as it indicates here, if your t-value is positive, that means that the mean lexical density for your group is higher than the highest lexical density for the question 1. So the importance with the Paired Samples t-test is that it's looking at dependence between the groups. So for question 2, that same thing applies here. And this is how you would report it in your Word document containing all of the output. You don't need to be extremely descriptive about it, but you just need to input the main idea of that result. That's all you need. You just need the mean, the t-test, the degrees of freedom, and the significance columns from that table.